What's going on, everybody? It's been over a week since I got those parts installed, and the reason why I waited so long is because I needed more experience with this. I did not understand the differences when I left the shop and I started recording. I wasn't sure if I saw any differences. I thought I did, but instead of me thinking I thought I did, or maybe not, and put out a video just to put out a video, I reminded myself that I'm doing this for the love, not for subscribers or algorithm, really. So I wanted to take a little bit of the time and understand what really happened with that installation. So anyway, here I am. I want to make it brief. I want to make it a short video. So everything is pretty much amplified, with the CUSCO differential carrier and BEATRUSH differential bushings. It feels much nicer. It feels stiffer, and where it really shines, this whole thing, like the benefits of me installing it, is when you push the car to its limits. I don't really do it too often, but when you floor it here and there and you change the gears, it just feels much better. There is less flex on the car, on the whole thing. So what I've experienced before with the Perrin pitch stop mount and all these things, the transmission mount, it's literally amplified. Everything that I received as a benefit for rigidity in this car, with the current installs that I did, everything was amplified to maximum. So actually, funny thing, the car is a little more bouncy, and I think it's because everything is just tighter. There's no flex in a differential carrier, because the CUSCO carrier, its bushings are much stiffer. They're not rubbery anymore. So even when it's not necessarily on turns, but it's just in general, the car is stiffer as a whole. It's just, there's no flex anywhere. And the positive shift kit from WHITELINE, I'm not sure what it's really doing here. The gears feel the same. The only thing I can think of is it added to that stiffness experience. So now, guys, everything that I've installed, all the bushings, all the mounts, all of it, it really makes a whole lot of difference. The STI with all these mods right now today, it feels incredible. It feels amazing. If you're going for race car feel, and you're going for something that will feel as it handles really well, you want to kind of take away from the luxury and give to that race car feel, I would say do everything that I've done, because let me tell you, it just feels amazing, really. Nonetheless, I'm doing more work very soon. I have a scheduled appointment in about 2 or 3 weeks with 6 Stars, and they're gonna be doing a bunch of suspension work. I'll tell you all about it in the video. But just so I don't keep you hanging in there, I'm not installing coilovers, and I do want to make another video on that. I'm not doing coilovers for numbers of reasons. Primary reason is the research part of it. I want to make sure I get the best of the best, not like $10,000 suspension, but I just want to get a really good suspension, like for coilovers. So I kind of have my mind set on one thing, then another one, and now I don't have the money for it, because the one I want is around $3,000. So I was playing with an idea of getting something cheaper just so I can get it, but then I'm like, why would I do that? This is my dream car. I'm doing a dream build here. I'm not gonna cut any corners. Everything that I've been doing is what I believe in, and I believe in the quality. So on this channel, you're definitely gonna get a lot of parts that are high quality, reliable, even though I played with an idea of getting cheaper things, not necessarily cheap things, but cheaper, just so I can get everything. But then I'm thinking to myself, I'm keeping this car forever, so I might as well just wait another year and get what I claim to be the best for me, right? So I'm doing a lot of suspension work, except coilover, on my next video, on my next appointment. So I'm pumped for that one, because that will really change the way the car behaves on the turns. Also, when I push it to the limit, there's less hesitation. It engages quicker. So like I said before, everything is just amplified. The whole engagement, stiffness, it's all just taken to a different level, and now the car feels very, very good. How I like it. This perhaps was not the most exciting video, because I needed to wait to realize the changes in this vehicle that the install made. but honestly, I'm happy that I did it. I do feel a difference, like I stated before, maybe slight, but I do. It adds on to everything I've done, and also makes the car more reliable when you think about it. Less flex, better, right? Oh wow, what a beautiful paint. It was like a green-blue Mercedes E-Class, E350 or 550, I don't know. So on this video, I'm using a different camera and a different lens. I'm using a Sony camera with a Sony lens, a wide-angle lens, because the GoPro is good, but I have this laying around, you know, this camera Sony, and I thought I'd put it to use because honestly it was collecting dust. So the quality at least will be better, and I'll have more fun making the videos. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and maybe drop a comment or something. I would really appreciate it. And of course, if you find this content useful and perhaps you're curious about what I'm gonna do with the car in the future, and I'll be doing a lot of different things, it's not gonna stop. Next 5-10 years I'm gonna be doing everything I can to this car. Maybe consider subscribing to this channel. Every like, comment and subscription really makes a difference for me. It motivates me to do more content, because it proves to me that what I'm doing is something of an interest to you guys. Either way, I'll be putting out more content, but hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.